Okay, 1521 Tina Marie needs carpet, needs paint. For it is caca in here. So gross, so gross. Has lights, can hear the furnace working, all good things. So gross is this house. Yard is not gross. Odd, would have expected it to be worse. Patch that. Replace that. There's just, that all needs to be fixed. That wall needs to be repaired. Cabinets need to be painted. Gross. Get them a new fridge. That's old and it's full of nastiness. Laundry room. Hook up his gas. It should be fine though. Everything's good in here. Good. Good to go. Kitchen floor is good. Just clean it. So far, paint and cleaning. Look at how old that light is. This door is here. It needs to be replaced, so just get new doors. Obviously, this window doesn't have a screen in it. Put a screen up. Hang that door. When we do the carpet, make sure we have access to our crawl space. Paint. So caca. Need a new door here. Somebody chewed this one off. Clean. Clean the tub, recaulk it. Good in here though, it's nasty, but I mean, such is Indiana. Fix that. Patch this door. Hang these doors back up. You're going to carpet and paint those, so you can leave them down until that's done, but just get it done. Good. So yeah, I mean, a couple minor things in repairs, but this is dirty. It's not bad. So just paint, clean, carpet. Should be good to go. Let me know if you need anything.